Honda motorcycles are appreciated and enjoyed by millions of people around the globe. As the world's leading manufacturer of motorcycles, Honda is committed to protecting both the environment and the customer. The development of safety features for motorcycles has always been a top priority for Honda. Honda has long pursued a broad range of safety-related research activities and has led the way in developing more effective and advanced safety features. Now, as part of its safety research and development strategy, Honda has succeeded in creating the world's first production motorcycle airbag system. One vital aspect of motorcycle safety research is careful analysis of the key statistics concerning accidents. Data from Japan, the US, and Europe all indicate that frontal collisions account for over half of all collisions. We can also see that many injuries result from the rider's impact with vehicles and other obstacles. We can conclude that many rider injuries occur in frontal collisions in which the rider continues forward as the motorcycle slows abruptly. And to lessen injuries, it makes sense to try to absorb the energy and reduce the rider's forward velocity. In order to achieve this objective, Honda developed the motorcycle airbag. Given the complexity of the dynamics in a motorcycle accident, one of the main challenges has been to analyze various crash motions so as to determine the optimal size and shape of the airbag, taking into account various riding positions. Honda conducted crash tests modeled after ISO procedures in 7 impact configurations and analyzed 200 computer simulated tests. In addition, more extensive data was generated using a series of crash tests devised by Honda to simulate real-world accident configurations, taking into account such factors as variations in collision speed, type of the other vehicle, and rider mass and riding position. The collection of this data was made possible thanks to Honda's own real-world testing facility, where crash tests can be performed under a wide variety of accident configurations, and through Honda's advanced computer simulation technology. Honda's commitment to motorcycle safety is also demonstrated by its early introduction of crash test dummies specifically designed for motorcycle testing. Honda's success in creating the world's first production motorcycle airbag system was thanks in part to input from Honda's automobile division, which contributed invaluable experience in data analysis and expertise in developing airbag systems. Naturally, airbags are not the answer for all motorcycle accidents. However, Honda's motorcycle airbag system can function effectively to reduce a rider's forward velocity during certain frontal impacts. Now let's take a look at how Honda's airbag system works. The motorcycle airbag system is composed of 3 elements: crash sensors, an airbag ECU that performs calculations to determine a collision is occurring, and the airbag module. The crash sensors are attached to the motorcycle's front fork to accurately and quickly detect rapid deceleration. They are mounted on the left and right sides of the fork and can detect acceleration changes with a high degree of precision and reliability. The airbag module, consisting of the airbag and the inflator, is mounted in front of the rider together with the ECU. The airbag is attached to the motorcycle frame with tethers, so that when it deploys, it will not be carried forward as it slows the rider. In a severe frontal collision, the crash sensors in the front fork detect changes in velocity and send signals to the ECU. The ECU instantly determines that a collision is occurring and sends a signal to the inflator. When the inflator is activated, nitrogen gas is produced and flows into the airbag, rapidly inflating it. It takes just a fraction of a second from when the crash sensors detect a collision to when the airbag inflates, absorbing some of the rider's energy. As a result, the force of the impact between the rider and the vehicle or the road may be reduced, lessening injuries. Honda designs motorcycles to be an integral part of people's everyday lives. As always, our aim is to provide greater enjoyment and safety. Honda's motorcycle airbag system was designed with this goal in mind. Honda will continue with research and development of new technologies that enable people to enjoy motorcycles in even greater safety.